Yes sir, what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to boost the sound of your drums, how to get those hard hitting drum pattern in flstudiomobile. So yeah man, shout out everybody. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment and like all my videos. So yeah man, these drum loops, they are banging man, they're fire. And if you need any collaboration, I'm open. Yeah man, let's reach 1k, let's keep growing, and I have tutorials back to back, so make sure you subscribe guys, like all my videos, and let's get straight to the video man. As you can see guys, the reason why these drum loops are hitting hard is because I added the FX distortion to give it the boost and full sound, you know. So distortion is quite good to increase the volume of your music. You need to use it most of the time. If I can show you what I did and on this beat, I started with the hi-hats. I started with the kick, but yeah, I had some hi-hats. Then I added this snares, and then after the snare I added this vocal chop. I had to pitch it down right there. Then open heads, more open heads, and the last thing was the kick guys. Simple, the best. Thank you so much guys. If you watch this video to the end, shout out to you man. You'll be the first one to get a drum loop or a melody loop that I'm about to drop very soon. As long as we reach 1k, I'ma drop free loops, you know what I'm saying. So anyways, see you in the next video. I got tons of tutorials.